All right, we got a comparison video for you guys today. You guys absolutely love my comparison videos, so that's what we're doing here. Just to give you context on why I can compare this to most other 2-in-1, 3-in-1, and 4-in-1 convertible sofa beds, it's because my brother and I are essentially, it's a long story, dude. Somehow we ended up becoming these product reviewers where we literally purchase thousands of dollars of products on Amazon every month, and we just review them. There's a way where that makes economical sense most of the time. And so we fell into accidentally being amateur experts at convertible sofa beds. So what we're doing is we're shooting a comparison video comparing this specific 2-in-1 convertible sofa bed to most other convertible sofa beds on the market, specifically the 15, 20 or more that we've reviewed. First thing I want to show you, extremely comfortable, and then I'm just going to pop into the lounge vibe. This, you just saw a big reason why this is the one to go with. Easiest to adjust, and also, actually, I'm going to cover this probably in my comparison. So let me get into the comparison. So I put together 3 points just to help you guys make a quick informed buying decision, and then maybe I'll cover some other stuff too. So point number 1, when I'm comparing this to most other convertible sofa beds, it's a true chair plus bed conversion. It's more useful than a fixed chair. It's also more useful than other convertible sofa beds. Let me make sure I didn't say that. Yeah. So the upright lounge chair vibe, this thing work. You already saw me sitting on it. It's a very good height when you've got it padded up. It sits just like a living room chair, but way more comfortable. And when I say way more comfortable, I mean, I'm comparing it. I've got chairs over there that are hundreds or over $1,000 over there that are like, the regular expensive furniture store living room chairs. To me, these are way more comfortable. This is the first convertible sofa bed chair that actually has a backrest that you don't need to lean up against the wall in order for it to work. That's what sets this apart. If you could feel it, it's soft but supportive. But the way it's soft, it's almost like a cloud forming around your body. It's incredible. And as you can see, I'm putting all my weight on it and it's handling it, and we're not anywhere near the wall. First convertible sofa bed I've done that with. A lot of them I've reviewed are actually more expensive than this one, and you have to lean it up against the wall. Now, they're still nice, but this one is just so incredible because for the price point, I can't believe I'm getting it out of the box. I don't have to assemble it, and it actually has enough back support to not have to lean it up against the wall, which really sets this chair apart. I mean, these chairs, you need that wall support to get the backrest. Now you don't. You could put it at any point in the room and you're going to be good to go. So the fact that it also stays as like this lounger chair when you set it up, but if you can see, I'm 5'10". I've still got basically that whole cushion down there. I could move this down, completely lay down, use this as a pillow or put my pillow in here, and I'm still going to have plenty of room to sleep. So it lays down into an actual bed, sits up into an actual chair, and it's literally like in a matter of a second. So extremely flexible, easy to use. Point number 2 in comparing this to most other convertible sofa beds. Softer, safer, easier to move. You have a handle on the back. I kind of showed you guys that at first. You have a handle on the back, which makes it very easy to either put into a lounge position or pick it up and pack it back up under here to sit down. That makes it really nice. I will tell you that the softness of this wide wale corduroy is incredible. When you pair that with the high density foam, here's the thing. I'm on just one layer of foam here. I don't feel like I'm anywhere near the floor. So you've got a very good mattress quality vibe here. If you are using this to sleep, you're not going to feel like you're just on a hard floor. You're going to feel like you're being cradled. You're laying on a cloud or something like that. So that's very nice as well. Point number 3, no assembly required and handle portability. So I already showed you the handle back there. That's really nice because it just makes it very easy to pull it up, kick it out, or pull it up to put everything under to sit back down again. But no assembly is amazing, dude. This comes in an extremely small box. You just cut it open safely to make sure you don't cut anything inside. Cut the contents, but you cut it open, and probably within about 20 minutes, it does most of its expanding. But if you give it another day or so, it just more fully expands. But this thing turns into a chair and a bed incredibly quickly, and you won't believe the compact box it comes in. Now, let me give you some bonus components when I'm comparing this to most other sofa beds, convertible sofa beds. Now, already has a sales velocity of selling over 450 units per month. That's an incredible sales velocity for a product in the furniture space. This is selling a lot. Not only that, but it has an average rating of 4.6 stars out of 5 stars. That's a home run. Anytime you're seeing above 4 stars, you're getting in a really strong category of like, this is the one to get. So at the end of the day, all 3 comparison points I made are the reason to buy it, but also the price point. That's an incredible value. You could price this 2x or 3x and you would still feel like it should be way more when you actually sit on it and get a feel for it. And then also the social proof. The fact that people are buying it in droves and people are reviewing it very highly, it makes it very easy and obvious to see why this is probably the one that you're going to want to get. Are you still recording?